Battling Japanese beetles in your garden? These pesky insects can wreak havoc on your plants, devouring leaves, flowers, and even fruits. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective solution you can try right now. First, mix a tablespoon of mild dish soap with a quart of water. This mixture is safe for your plants but deadly for the beetles. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and shake it well to mix the soap thoroughly with the water. Head out to your garden and spray the solution directly on the Japanese beetles. The soap will suffocate them, stopping them in their tracks almost immediately. You'll notice the beetles falling off the plants as soon as they come into contact with the soapy water. It's a quick and efficient way to protect your garden without using harsh chemicals. For best results, spray early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid harming beneficial insects. Additionally, remove any infected leaves from your plants. This helps to reduce the attraction for more beetles. Another effective method is to manually remove the beetles during their less active periods during dusk or dawn. Simply pick them off the plants and drop them into a bucket of soapy water. This will drown them quickly. Repeat this process as needed, especially during peak beetle season. With consistent effort, you'll keep your garden healthy and beetle-free. If you find this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it with your friends. Happy gardening!